Hi there everybody, my name is Rob Anderson, illusionist in Las Vegas. We are on the Strip tonight doing street magic on this Valentine's Day, and I just met Jason and Liz, and they're in from Seattle, right?
Yeah.
Doing some magic.
Actually.
Yeah. Where?
Puyallup.
Puyallup. Shout out to Puyallup. That's the first time I have heard of or said Puyallup, and now there we go.
Nobody knows.
Nobody knows it's you guys know where it's at. All right, so obviously Valentine's Day, you're out here, you're together. I'm gonna have you hold hands as part of this first thing. So I just wanted to make sure, saw the rose, you guys are together. How long have you guys been together?
About 3 years.
Cool, congrats, that's awesome. 3 years together, that means about 3 years ago, you went on some of your first dates, held hands, got to know each other. That's special, that's cool. We're gonna take you back to those first dates with our first trick here, okay? Jason, you're gonna hold your right hand out like that for me. Liz, you're gonna hold your right hand out like that for me. I'm gonna hand you a card here, you're gonna hold on to the king. And yeah, okay. I like that you're eager, yeah, just not, that's good.
I want to hold his hand.
She likes you, that's good. I like you guys. Look at romance blooming. Jason's gonna have that king of spades in his hand. Liz, your hand will go on top, so you're holding hands like on those first dates. There you go. Maybe across from a restaurant table. I don't know what the setup was, but I've got another card here, the Seven of Hearts, which I think this would be a better card for you two to have. It represents love, right? And you felt some love on those dates. You're gonna feel it tonight. You feel that there, yes?
Yeah.
You feel that there, yes? Yeah. It's better for you to have. Did you feel that?
What?
Look,
wow,
the hearts.
That was great.
Hearts.
Wow.
Such a better card. Thank you. I'm gonna take it back. That's a better card for you two to have. Let's do another one.
Okay.
Let's do another one. You two, you found each other. You bonded. That's special. We're gonna talk about that with some magic. We're gonna need a Sharpie. Jason, I'm gonna let you hold on to that Sharpie just for a minute, okay?
Be good.
I'll try.
There's a story there, and I'm not gonna ask it. We're gonna get a couple of cards. Jason, just say stop anywhere you want as I go through there.
Stop.
Okay. We'll use the two of clubs. That'll be your card for that. Could you uncap the Sharpie and put your name on there? I want you to put your name towards the bottom of the two, right down there. And with your name on there, we know that's the one he signed when we see it again, and we will see this card again. And when we do, we know that's the one that you signed right there. We're gonna leave it face up. It's gonna be somewhere near the middle of the deck for now. Again, we're gonna see it again. We know it's the same one you signed. Face up, somewhere near the middle. We're coming back to it. We're gonna get a card for you first though. Okay, Liz, could you please put your name on the nine of diamonds near the top part there with your name on there. We know that is your card that you signed when we see it again. Lizzie, we will see it again, Lizzie. When we see this again, we know that's the one that you signed. I'll take that back. We're gonna leave it face down, actually. Yours is face up, yours is going face down, and I'm not gonna find them. They're gonna find each other like this. I'd like you both to squeeze with me, squeeze the way that I am, squeeze the deck, and imagine, think back to any bonding moment you've shared with one another as you imagine your cards finding each other near the middle of the deck, coming together, let go. Your cards just found each other near the middle. We're gonna look through here. One card's gonna be face up because we left it that way. It's going to have your name on it there, Jason, then there it is, but the card right next to Jason's card. We're gonna pull it out together and we're gonna see if that's the card that you signed. Now you put your name on the nine of diamonds. Found each other.
That's cool.
Found each other, perfect. Just like the two of you. Let's bond these, make them a little more special. Your experiences have bonded you, right? Your trip to Las Vegas here from, say the name again.
Puyallup.
Puyallup, from your trip from Puyallup has bonded you. And then, conversations you've had have bonded you. Just watching Netflix previews together, which, you ever just do that for hours? I do that for hours, just previews all night. We have two intertwined cards right here, and I'm gonna have you pinch and hold the top card where Lizzie's name is, there you go. And Liz, pinch and hold the bottom card where Jason's name is. Think back to that bonding moment we just talked about as we remove only the part here that does not matter, leaving you with an impossible representation of your bond sealed together. You can let go.
Wow. I want to. Can I have it?
You can, it's your souvenir.
Oh, that's cool.
I took the queens out of the deck. I did something special with just one. I think I predicted in advance what you two are about to do right here. I don't want you to think this part is sleight of hand, okay? So Liz, I'm gonna have you cup your hand and hold these cards just like I'm holding them, just so they don't blow away. Freeze, just like that. You are holding the queens in your hand right now. Something special about one. You're gonna work together here, proving your compatibility. It's gonna go great. Jason, you're first. Two-part trick, you're first. Liz, he chose the hearts and the diamonds. You can keep either one. Would you like to keep the heart or the diamond? Your choice.
Heart.
Hearts over diamonds, like love over money.
Yeah.
She's a keeper. That's good, Jason.
That's right.
I'm gonna take these back. I made one prediction. You wound up on hearts. You decided that together. I thought you would say hearts. It's the only one that I turned face up there. You were holding it just like that the entire time. I took it out of a totally different deck. That's how sure I was of what you would do. And I was so certain. I told you I did this like before we came out here, right? So before we came out here, I knew I wouldn't have to bring any other cards with me at all. And that's all I brought.
Oh my God.
That's all you had there was that Queen of Hearts.
Wow, that's pretty great.
Glad that worked.
Yeah.
You two are good.
Awesome.
Thank you. And I'm going to have you hold your right hand out there, Jason. Hold your right hand out. And I'd like you to imagine a gift that you would like to give to Liz. I'd just like you to think about that. Imagine it appearing in your hand for me. And as you imagine that appearing in your hand right now, I would just like you to give that to her, okay?
Liz, I love you.